Hi guys, today I'm going to show you another keema filling recipe. This is the recipe that my mom uses, and it's a very simple one, very easy one, and it helps make it can be used for your keema chapatis as well as your samosas. So I have less than a pound of keema that I have ground it twice in my blender, and I'm going to add a cupful of water to it, and this is, to be more exact, 0.8 of a pound. So I'm going to add 1 cup of water and a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of salt, and I will adjust it as time goes on. The whole purpose is to cook this keema till it is almost dry. Then I'll readjust the spices. And whilst cooking this keema, it's important that you keep stirring it in between and breaking the lumps. See, I have really ground this keema pretty well, so I have just stirred it, and I will now cook it until it gets dry. So keep coming back and stirring it, and it's cooking on medium to high heat, and keep changing the heat. So we'll cook it through till the water dries up. At this point, I am going to do a spicy salt, and I also adjusted the paprika. I added about 4 teaspoons of paprika. You can use red chilies if you like the heat. I don't like red chilies in my food, so I avoid them. So we'll keep cooking until the keema dries up completely. At this point, I've also decided to add a teaspoon of garam masala. And then I'll mix it through and keep. So at this stage, you can see that the keema is almost drying up. Once again, I'm going to check it for all my spices. Once again, I'll check it for all my spices and adjust it. My salt, and I'm adding a teaspoon of garam masala. Adds the lemon juice to the dry keema. I usually don't. I try to add it at this point where it can all cook through, and I like to control the moisture and have the keema pretty dry. I'll let you know how much lemon juice I've ended up with. 3 or 4 tablespoons of lemon juice or lime juice. And so I'll cook it through until the keema is completely dry. Switch my keema off. It's become very, very dry now. And now I'll start adding other things to it, and then let it stay hot. If I had fresh cilantro, I would add it when it was cool. But because I have frozen cilantro and I store my cilantro in the fridge right away, it lasts longer and it's easier for me to use. So I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of cilantro. You have to be very generous with the samosa filling. So I made 3 tablespoons of cilantro, and I might add a little more. I need to. So I added 1 finely chopped onion. So I added 2 green chilies, and I'm going to give everything a good mix. My mixture is ready, and now I'll let it sit and cool by itself and work on my other things. Now this mixture, this particular keema mixture can be used for samosas or keema chapati. The only difference is in the keema chapati, you use this mixture and then add an egg to it. thing is you can also add mint leaves. I didn't have them, so I didn't add. Maybe a tablespoon of fresh mint leaves, or a tablespoon would be enough. 1 to 2 tablespoons of mint leaves would be just good if you like mint leaves.